Hello viewers and namaste and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be showing how to wax and protect your car from the daily traffic film and contaminants. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe because it is your like and subscribe helps us to sustain and grow our channel. जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और लाइक कीजिए हमारा चैनल को और आगे बढ़ाने के लिए और if you are interested to buy the products that I am using, the links will be in the description box. Description box में ये सारा product का link रहेगा and if you buy from our links, it helps us a little bit. So this is a very easy process. For this, I will be requiring some water sprays, a shampoo water, a plain water, and for wax protection, I will use this particular ceramic wet wax, which is my favorite as it is easy to apply and gives a long lasting shine and protection. You can use other waxes also. If there are any cheaper varieties, you can also use them. यही प्रोडक्ट्स का इस्तेमाल करेंगे और इसके लिए कुछ ज़्यादा माइक्रोफाइबर क्लोथ्स भी ज़रूरी है. उसके पहले कार को अच्छा से एक शैम्पू वॉश कर दीजिए जिसका वीडियो मैं इसके आगे एपिसोड में किया है और शैम्पू वॉश के बाद थोड़ा सा डालनेस तो आता ही है तो वॉक्स भी ज़रूरी है इसलिए. So we will be going for a waxing session today and today is Sunday. This is one of my favorite weekend days to do this car detailing jobs. Before that, first we will apply some water so that if any contaminants is remaining, that will be washed off. Very easy. And after this, just wipe it off with the help of a microfiber cloth. You see already this is showing black in color, so there is some traffic layer. There is some sort of dullness, although the shampoo was wax fortified, but still you don't expect the gloss of a normal waxing procedure. Now I will apply some plain water. Now wipe it dry so that the soap layer is removed from the body surface. Now the surface is ready. Now again I will apply some water since I will be applying wet wax. So for this it is to be applied on a wet car surface. Spray it evenly to the entire surface so that surface remains wet. Okay. Now the surface is ready for wax preparation. Now it recommends 2 sprays per panel. So we'll give 2 sprays. If the surface is more, you can apply more than 2. Now with the help of a microfiber cloth, we'll wipe it and spray it to the entire surface. Advantage of this product is it can be applied to any surface.
गड्डी चढ़ना है हम लोग को चकाचक.
Now let us use a fine microfiber cloth for buffing.
Polish, guys.
This is polishing cloth.
Polishing
Buff it until you glaze a clean shiny surface. If you apply too much, there may be a problem of streaking. So you see the surface is ready. Polished.
sunlight में झकाझक होगा.
हाँ.
आज थोड़ा cloudy day.
So like this we will apply to the entire body and then I will show you how the car looks. Apply shampoo water. This area also. Okay.
5 minutes.
No need of waiting. Then the shampoo will stick to your car body. Now this one. No, apply later.
उसके बाद पूरा black पानी आ रहा है.
शैम्पू स्प्रे करने का बाद ये शैम्पू वाटर को वाइप कीजिए. रिमेंबर वन थिंग, नेवर अप्लाई दिस पर्टिकुलर शैम्पू टू अ वेरी डर्टी और सॉइली कार.
5 दिन हम लोगों का
हाँ, for that you need to go for a full car wash That may be a foam wash, maybe a bucket wash, but the car should be free from all dust and contaminants. That is very important. हाँ लेके आ रहे हैं. Now the next step is to apply plain water. दीजिए तो. Now again we'll wipe it dry. Now that much is not required because we'll again wet the car. Na? Just remove little water. Okay. Now I will again wet the car. Now we'll apply the wet wax. Always shake before use. 2 sprays per panel. Now we'll because this wax has to be applied when the car is wet. So you need a wet surface. Okay, so the application has been complete. Now we'll buff it off for a shine. तो ऐसे ही आप कार को कैसे वॉक्स करना है, 2 स्टेप. पहले शैम्पू वाटर, फिर प्लेन वाटर, फिर उसको राइंस करके बाद प्लेन वाटर को पूरा कार में स्प्रे कर दीजिए और उसके बाद आप वेट वॉक्स अप्लाई कीजिए. वेरी इजी. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पर्सन्स हु हैव commented why I am not using budget friendly products. First of all, they are not that much easy to apply, and in fact if you see, this particular product was purchased by me in 2021 and this is 2025. Still now the product is remaining and I have always maintained 2 cars, so more than half is left still with this, so it's worth the money you are spending. तो हो गया है इस part. Like this we'll do to the other side. After I complete the entire car, I will show you how the car looks. Finally, the job has been finished and we have applied to the entire car body. And you can see the level of slickness and gloss that the car has received. It's looking just like the car has been brought from the showroom. We have also taken care of the tires. We have cleaned the glass also, and the same cloth we have applied to the glass area and all the tires and wheels. Advantage of using this product, it is an all-in-one product and you can apply it to any surface, so you don't need any additional product for this. And remember to do this job in a day when it is absolutely dry, because after applying this particular wax, at least 24 hours it should be kept dry. Don't apply any water or anything, or don't wipe your car, and also don't apply any car cover to it. So that's how you wax your car easily. ऐसे ही आप कार को wax कर सकते हैं आसानी से, and it's very easy and you can do it at home. No need of any expertise. So it's very important, do this waxing job in a absolute dry day, because any form of water will waste the entire project. So remember that, and always try to do it early in the morning when there is no sufficient sunlight. का नीचे में ये करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है क्योंकि wax है वो पॉलिश में और वो चिपक जाएगा आपका कार बॉडी में. So remember that. So all these things are very important. This is the process, and if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye and namaste.